Hey guys, today I'm going to do a video on how to set up your bird cage. Here's what you need. You should use metal in there, like metal dish. I'll get to that in a minute, but first up I'm going to show you this. You want a bird bath, some type of bowl for your bird bath. Alright? Make sure it's metal. Well, actually, no. Plastic would do better for the water. For bird bath, because I just remembered that birds can hurt their feet if they get into that. And you might want, like, a nesting area. Yeah, I had it set up at one time, so I decided to do a video and take everything back out. Sorry, yeah, I had to get the bird tomorrow, so I had to take everything out, so... You want a bed of some sort, and I'll show you how to make one of these. All it is glue and towels. Alright? And you might want a large area. Alright, for a nesting area. And you want a couple hidey houses for them. Birds like to hide. Besides, don't forget, they're prey animals too. A lot of small animals are prey animals, so they're gonna have something to hide. Alright? You want a couple of hideys, and they may not use it, but then again, they might. All you have to do is find the right one, alright? Perches. These make good for birds to walk on or stand on. You want to have a couple of them. You might want to also have long perches, too. That goes to one end to the other. You should have two. You want to have fourth. You want to have noise stuff, or toys for them. Like this. You want to swing for them. It gives them something to do. You want to have different variety of toys. I don't yet, but I will. Besides, you might want to also rearrange the cage. Sixth, you want to have mirrors or any type of reflective, but sometimes you don't want to if they have a different reaction to it. Pay attention to that. Same thing. Another toy. You might want to go with metal because metal is better, but I don't, and my parents won't let me get metal. So I had to deal with plastic, and I don't really like to, so... You want metal bowls. It makes it a lot easier. Not plastic. Alright? Want a water type of thing for the water. Make sure you have something for the water, like a water jug type kind of light thing. Water bottle. That's what it's called. Water bottle. I couldn't think of the name. I'm gonna end this video and I'll show you how to set up the cage, alright?